Hi guys, I just came back from Publix, so I'm gonna do a little haul. But last night at 2 a.m. when I was on TikTok, I saw someone eating chicken wings, and I'm like, I really want some. And the ones from Publix are really good. So anyways, yeah, I just got these tulips. Not gonna lie, I don't know what's been going on recently, but they just die really quickly. So hopefully this time they don't die quickly, but they're adorable. I love tulips. And I got this vase from IKEA. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's like a pink and it's so cute. So I'm gonna put that in my room. Some fresh flowers. So these are the chicken wings that I get. I used to get them all the time when I was growing up. They're the hot and spicy ones. So it's the non-breaded chicken wings, hot and spicy. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. Also, like, why am I struggling to say chicken wings? Jeez. I think there's something like with my ear right now and my congestion. So also, I tried this, basically the Publix brand of berry blend kombucha. I had this before, and it's actually really good. I'm gonna turn down my light just a little bit. It's actually really good, so decided to get it again. Also, so last night I was craving chicken wings and Oreos. I was like, I haven't had Oreos and milk in a long time. So I got the double stuffed. They were on sale. So not really on sale, it was 2 for $8, but I'm just gonna save the other ones for later. But yeah, this is like my weakness. Also, I've been watching Pretty Little Liars. I watched it like years ago, but I never finished it. So I'm rewatching it now because I've been rewatching Sex and the City and Gossip Girl, mostly Sex and the City, for like a really long time as like background noise. But I'm like, let me watch Pretty Little Liars. So I'm gonna have my chicken wings while I watch Pretty Little Liars, and then I'm gonna be filming a Christmas wish list video. So I just need some energy because yesterday I was filming all day and I didn't even eat anything, because the thing is that when I start filming I really need to take advantage of the light, like the sunlight. So sometimes I just like don't get a chance to eat, but I want to like stop that and nourish my body. So yeah, all right, Pretty Little Liars and chicken wings. I'm so excited. Look how cute. Now you can actually see the vase, and I just love how it looks with the little frame, but love it.
When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh.
Okay, I'm back at home now, and I just realized, I don't know why the other clips, they were so dark, and it was because I had a different setting in my camera. So sorry about those dark clips, but basically we just went to Casa Tua and we were just in the brickell area. I got some super cute pics that my cousin actually took from me. I'm gonna insert here on my Instagram. You guys should go like it up and follow me on Instagram if you don't. But yeah, right now I'm gonna be fixing my room because last night, this is really bad, but last night I slept in a dirty room and that just really doesn't help the mood. So I'm going to fix it now so when I wake up I can be more productive, just because a messy room just gets me in a funk, so we need to get out of that. But anyways, I really like how my makeup came out. I did a get ready with me on TikTok, but not on like not my makeup, just like my hair and my outfit. But yeah, I'm gonna do a tutorial in one of these like vlogmas videos on how I did my makeup, because not gonna lie, like it's been looking pretty good. But yeah, I'm just gonna play a movie or listen to music. No, probably watch a movie while I clean and get through it. So also, before I end this vlog, I'm gonna spill the tea here and give you guys a little tip if you like to take pictures outside or anything like that in the nighttime or anything like that. If there's like a weird lighting where it's not that bright, then you need one of these. It's gonna be on my Amazon storefront. I'll just link it down below for you guys if you'd like. The other clips was using this light because the lighting in my room is not that good. So you see how much better it is? And you can also do like an orangey and a white together, which I do like. So I'm just gonna put that here. As you guys can see, total difference, and because obviously it's pitch black outside and the lighting in my room does not help. So definitely, even if you want to just take some pictures or if you film or anything like that, it's like a portable ring light. It's really good. Again, I use it for my videos. I honestly really don't use my ring light that much anymore, just because it is so tiny and it's literally perfect. So you see the difference? Like, this is like all right for the nighttime vibe, but I definitely like it a little bit brighter. And the pictures that I showed you guys earlier that are on my Instagram, I took those with the little light, and I literally take it everywhere. So little tip for you guys if you'd like. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.